Working President ke NPP Meghalaya ubadeiru Menteri Sorkar Marcus and Marang ulaai ke Kyrshan ya ke jingpen pau da MLA ke BJP ubak sanbor Syllad ban pyrshah jor halor ke rai khang bam do Masi jong ke Sorkar Assam da ke baong ke no ke jingbam ke dei ke hok lait lu jong weipa wei unong shong shnong. Ngidei ka recent syar pat ba bat ngilong lait lu ban bam ya ke no kat ke bangi kwa. Ka jingbam ka de ka hok jong weipa wei ubriu. Kumta ngam pediang satya ya ka bakum ka ni ka jingkhang bam do Masi ha ka no ka jela ong umarang ha bakren syakilat patai kubor ha ka shipau trik no pra. Da ka bapen pa ba ka rukom bam ka de ka benta jong ka rukom im menteri ula ong. Kum ka nuksa ngi de ki riulum bat ngi bam ya ki babuan jat ki jingbam ba per. Kumta la da khang ya ka rukom bam kata kam long ka babha bat kam de satya ka bala ban pediang. Ula ong ru ba ki briu ki dan ya ka hok ban keren light luot klem kanu kanu ko jingkhang bat kalong ka jingshisha ba ya ki hok ba kongsan jongi la khang lat ling ba kum ki ni ki jingkhang pyrshah.
My opinion regarding meat ban in any other state is that we are democracy country in India and we are free to eat anything. Food habit is a right of any individual. So therefore, I don't accept the kind of ban that any government is putting on somebody in any states, I would say. So we have every right to have any kind of a food habit. Like example, we tribals, we eat so many things. So if you put restriction on our food habit, that is not a good thing. So our right to freedom of speech is also there. Right to economic activities are there. Our fundamental rights, in fact, fundamental rights are being deprived by putting on restriction on this thing.